Getting breaking news that a Delhi court has permitted the NIA to conduct a lie detector test on Punjab police officer Salvinder Singh in connection with the Pathankot terror case. Remember, the SP's car was used by the terrorists to reach the Pathankot air base. The Delhi, what we are getting now is the court says that the tests will now be done as soon as possible. All right, Salvinder Singh was, remember, brought to Delhi as well and questioned by NIA. He was the person whose car was taken by the terrorists and used to reach the Pathankot air base. Salvinder Singh has been changing his statement several times, not just to the authorities, to the media as well, giving different versions of what happened that night. Let me now go across to Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu for more details. Kamal, how soon would the NIA want to conduct this lie detector test?
Well, Maha, this is a very crucial test as far as NIA is concerned. And remember, even though there's been sustained interrogation of Salvinder Singh since the time the Pathankot attack has taken place, he's also been brought to Delhi. But there seems to be various gaps in the theory that he's been floating. One of them is, why did it take several hours for him in a stretch of 10 kilometers? He took 3 hours. Why did that happen? Why the terrorists never noticed blue beacon light? Why they actually cut the throat off, slit the throat off Ikagar Singh, the Sikh driver, and let off another Sikh, which is Salvinder Singh himself. These are questions that they've been probing. They've also been questioning Madan Gopal, the cook, as well as his jeweler friend Rajesh Verma. Now, all this is obviously going to be a sustained part of evidence, but both for the NIA and Salvinder Singh, who has agreed for the test, and remember, only after his concurrence, the court has now allowed this particular test to take place. The test has to be taken place within 3 days of what the court has allowed. So, in the next 3 days itself, we'll see NIA taking him to the CFSL lab here in the CGO complex, and that's where his lie detector test will take in. They will actually see whether there's any sort of deflection or any sort of detection of any sort of interest that he has. Now, there are various theories floating, including that there is a drug angle to the theory, but the fact remains that on ground they haven't found enough evidence to nail him or pin him, and that is why this lie detector test becomes all this important, Maha.
Also, Kamal, if I remember correctly, Salvinder Singh had said that he had gone to some sort of a religious place that night. He was going to that place and he often visits it, but the person there who's the caretaker said that this was the first visit that he had made. Is all this raising suspicion, and that's why the NIA is now keen on conducting this lie detector test?
Absolutely, Maha. In fact, Madan Gopal, the cook, was related to the shrine caretaker, and he's the one who had actually suggested that Salvinder Singh had gone. Now, remember, the whole story began on that particular night itself when Salvinder Singh was posted out. He said he was concerned about his posting, and he said he was a great believer of the shrine. But the shrine caretaker himself said that even though Madan Gopal and Rajesh Verma had come in the morning, Salvinder Singh had only gone at night. But again, what was he doing before he went to the dargah? Even if the dargah caretaker himself was available in the morning, why did he choose late into the night? And obviously the caretaker was also questioned, because if this was the timing that Salvinder Singh was mentioning in late into the night around 10:30, 11:30,
yes,
that is not the time that the caretaker had mentioned. Why was there a varying difference even in terms of statements, even the statements given by all three friends to the Punjab police and later to the NIA as to what really happened and why the terrorists let them off? Now, this seems like a lucky escape, but many are saying that this is more to it than meets the eye.
Well, clearly the NIA wants to get a clear assessment of where SP Salvinder Singh was that night, whether his version is true or is there something more that meets the eye. Many thanks, Kamal, for joining us with those details.
और वो चल पड़ा, और चलने के पहले उसने ढेर सारी चीजों का अध्ययन किया होगा, टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप की होगी, और नया एक उसने